Hey guys, it's me, Colby Richmond again, and today I'm going to be doing a bike check on my 2015 Green Haro. Um, I was dared to do this by one of my friends. His name is Anthony. You may see him in a few other videos, but yeah, let's get started. I do have a few stock things like my crank is stock, my pegs, not my pegs, my crank, and my pedals and seat and chain are stock. All of this is stock. But pretty much the headset is stock, but I do have Primo plastic pegs. I have thorn resistant tubes and a plastic outer layer that goes on the inside of my tire. Don't really know what that's called. I have Primo short grip grips. I have a pair of stolen black handlebars, and I have a black Diamondback fork. That's pretty much all I really have. It's not that it's not that loud. Um, yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Yeah, goodbye.